Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y17 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access fingerprint, face and password. Following that, click on Face section. Now enter your current login method. Click on Add Face and read all of those instructions and disclaimers. When you finished, select OK at the bottom. Then keep your face in frame and wait for 100% mark. Now you need to make sure that this switcher next to unlock feature is on. Manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!